Subject TVS, Class 5th, Chapter 4, Clean Together. Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about the cleanliness. As you all know, cleanliness is very important for our life, for our living, where we are living. So it should be clean. That place should be clean. So cleanliness is very important. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the cleanliness and how we can clean the place where we are living, how we can clean our surroundings, being together. So let us start today's chapter. Introduction. In our school, 2nd October was being celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. On this day, cleanliness camp was being conducted on throughout India under Clean India Camp. Sunita participated actively in this camp. Sunita observed that the school was looking very beautiful. After reaching home, she told her mother about it and said that, "Mother, I will help you in cleaning our house." Children, you should also help your mothers for cleaning your houses. Do you know? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a camp run by the Government of India to clean the streets, roads and infrastructure of the country. 4041 statutory towns and cities. The camp was officially launched on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi by Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. It should be a habit, not just form and show. Children, this should be our habit. If we are staying at home, if we are in the school, so we have to clean our surroundings. So it should be our habit, not for showing to your teacher or not for showing to someone like we are cleaning the thing. It should be our habit. It should be in our habit. Every day we have to clean things what we are using and surrounding where we are living. Okay, so here is the story about Sunita. So let us read this story. Sunita's brother and sister-in-law returned from Bangalore. They showed her many photographs of the place where they had visited. Sunita saw in the photograph that the city was very neat and clean. Now she began to think that our houses were small and all the places were not so clean. The point is that cleanliness is must, but it should not be just to show anybody. Rather, it should be inculcated in our habit. Points to be remembered. Please always remember this point. Either we are at home and we are outside the home. We will not throw papers, remains of pencils, wrappers of toffees, etc. in our class. We will not spit and throw rubbish here and there. We will not use polythene bags. We will helpfully in keeping our streets, houses, schools and public places clean. We will surely use only cloth, jute or paper bags for bringing vegetables and groceries, etc. and stop using polythene bags. Children, please remember these things when we are doing any work. Chapter Recall. Cleanliness is necessary to stay healthy. We should follow cleanliness ourselves. Cleanliness should be a habit, not just show off. Use toilet for urinating, not an open space. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you all.